Hello guys, so Fabrizio Romano can drop updates not too long yet, so you'll drop the update around that kind to 5 or thereabouts. So you drop updates about Victor Gyokeres when they talk saying they hear many things on the social media so they say making clarify the level where we did as of now. So you can explain say as of today, Thursday, this evening, Gyokeres to Arsenal is still alive. He never collapsed. Contrary to what many people are saying, that it has not collapsed, that the situation is very tense. Say the major issue now be the price gap. And Romano use him mouth talk and say Arsenal are relaxed. Now, see wetin Romano can explain from wetin they hear from Portugal. So he say Arsenal dey relax. Gyokeres already tell Sporting again say Arsenal or nothing. I no dey go any place. Sporting still dey insist say Arsenal go pay the 70 and 10. Arsenal still dey insist say na 65-15. They are still dragging. Now, Gyokeres probably come talk say this situation is quite different from situations wey we fit don experience in football. Here it is. Now, Gyokeres wan tell dem say if una no agree with Arsenal, me, I no dey come for training o. I no go play for una again. How that will happen, I don't really know because it will be going against, like you'll be breaching his own contract because you are contracted to them. Say, make una sign with them. I no go ever stay. Like, I don't want to come to that una club. I don't want near there again. So, as it be now, like I said in the morning, Arsenal are negotiating from a position of strength. So, them, they feel, say, Sporting will succumb to the pressure from Gyokeres and get this deal. And another thing where, like I've always said, another thing where they like make us happy, make us they relax. Romano never said that me talk and Romano is my talk and say Arsenal are relaxed. Now because the player don't tell them say now only Arsenal won't go. That is number one. Secondly, I know they resume training. Number two. Thirdly, I no go ever play for una again. That's number three. So these things now don't make Sporting the negotiate from a position of weakness. But ideally, I would prefer make Arsenal just pay the money go. But Arsenal they say they go fit still drag am. But then say that Sporting go fit shift. And mind you, the deadline where Ateta set is never reach. I think we are traveling to Singapore, I think 18th or 19th. So they still get like maybe 7-8 days to get the deal done. You get. So I think where my own concern will start. Now, if Arsenal can't travel to pre-season, Gyokeres no follow them. That's where my own concern. I got to say, what did they happen now? Yeah, I mean, I could come and pay the money now. But for now, me too, like I always say, oh, I know for now, I just relax, more to see how everything will go. So the major takeaway, this news, I won't leave until night, but I say, no, I don't break them now. The major takeaway, now say, the deal never collapsed. Leave all those rumor mongers, so they talk say don't collapse. I know, I report anything like collapse. Leave those people. Deal never collapse. Remember, the Sky Sports even tell us, say, now like on the weekend, they'll come hear movements again. So when they watch, most of it will happen Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remember, I think even Sunday we'll get the first movement. So more they say me, I no fear because I don't think because of 4.6 million pounds, Arsenal will come throw away this deal. I don't see that happening. The player will be our player at the end of the day. That's the next logical conclusion of this. So my dear lovers, I think we can let you know what's our transfer guru they talk so as you hear.